Hello everyone, welcome. Yes, welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus. I will continue with the second Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, almost weekend, October the 2nd, 2020. Second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku. 2 out of 7 because we have 7 extra Sudokus in this additional, and this will be a number 1671. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Usually the 2 star Sudokus has 26. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 4 is 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. Correct. So let's get started. How about the numbers? Let me see. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. All right. Which number shall I pick? Pick. Let me see. How about yeah. All right, let me start. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So on the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. That's 1. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 3 numbers are left for this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. Look, we have a 4 here and a 4 there. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are missing now. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Yes, 2. Surprising, 2. How about these 2 numbers in the middle column? For the numbers 1 is missing and 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2? We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. And now 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2, 9, 3. Alright. How about, yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes, therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 in the first row, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about 2 and 8, no. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the row below the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. First digit, alright. Yes. How about this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of these 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. 1 digit left in this row, the second row for the number 2. Yes, 2. How about the number in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 there, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this third row, 7 in the row above the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the numbers? These 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 9. 259, 259, 259. We see here 2 and a 5 here. So no 2, 5 in this box. So one digit left should be the 9. The 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 138, 138 in this column. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 3 and the 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. Then. How about no. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7. No. Made a mistake. We already have a 3, 7, 3, 8, 4. No. The 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5 should be here. 2. All right. I think I need to mark some boxes. 194. 4. 194. 2. This big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. One of these 2 boxes is a 2. We have a 2 in the first column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Wow! I go around and I have the 2 because, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, yes. 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These 2 numbers should be the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. How about these two numbers in the last row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 8. How about these two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 7 goes there. And these two numbers in this row, the 7 and the 3. 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two, the 8 and the 3 now. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Final two numbers of this big square. 8 and a 1. 8 and a 1. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 3 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.